Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Happy ABC Classroom.
Hello, Teacher Lily.
Today, we will learn the alphabet. Are you ready?
Yes, I love letters.
Me too. ABC is fun.
A, B, C.
Great job. Let's begin. Slowly. This is the letter a C. A, C.
A is for apple.
Apple is yummy.
Say A, children.
A.
This is the letter BN. BN.
B is for ball.
I like playing ball.
Say BN.
B.
This is the letter C. C
is for cat. Meow. Meow.
Say C. This is the letter D.
D is for dog. Woof woof.
Say D. This is the letter E. E
is for elephant.
Say E. This is F. Fish.
Fish swims.
Say F. This is G. Goat.
Goat says ma.
Say G. This is H. Hat.
I have a hat.
Say H. This is I. Ice cream.
Yay, ice cream.
Say I. This is J. Juice.
I like orange juice.
Say J. K is for kite.
Kite flies high.
Say K. L is for lion.
Roar.
Say L. M is for monkey.
Monkey says oo.
Say militars. N is for nest.
Birds live in nests.
Say N. O is for orange.
Orange is sweet.
Say O.